Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable picture-in-picture video controls in Firefox Windows 10. So how to enable picture-in-picture video controls in Firefox Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the General menu. Now here you are in the General menu. Scroll down to find the Browser menu. Now next. Tap Picture-in-Picture Video Controls. This feature allows users to enable picture-in-picture controls in Firefox on Windows 10, so they can watch videos in a small window while opening other tabs. So that's it, the tutorial how to enable picture-in-picture video controls in Firefox Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.